Hi, this is Erica Schueller with Fleet Maintenance Magazine. I am in a 2019 VNR and we are going to be driving with the Volvo Dynamic Steering technology. It's an electro-hydraulic steering capability to help stabilize the steering wheel as you're going down the road. So let's take a drive.
So between 0 and 15 miles an hour, and then it changes to a different threshold, and then at 30 miles an hour it changes to a different threshold, and then 45 it changes to a different threshold.
Okay.
So it'll get stiffer as you speed up. And you should feel it. It should have a different stiffness now. It's not as easy to move. As you get over, if we were going 55, you'd feel it's even stiffer.
Okay.
So So if you notice, if you kind of hit these bumps on the side, you won't feel it in the steering wheel. You feel it everywhere else.
Yeah, you can see the mirrors shaking and you can feel it in the other vibrations. But
and you're going to take a right here.
Right here. Right on after the bridge.
Yep. There's one there. Here's another one.